Ano yung ano doon? Yung Eurobeach.
Saan ka ba pupunta?
Secret! May bibilin lang.
Sige na, let's go.
Yo!
Uy, saan ba tayo pupunta?
Sa Tabang.
Ang gagawin mo doon?
May bibilin.
Wala ka nakahatak ha?
This, ano to? NBD.
NPT.
Mm-hmm.
Ano yun?
Basta mamaya malalaman mo.
So,
Mamaya.
I just wanna go where you go tonight. Baby, hold my hand, take me one more time. I don't wanna be without you again. I want you to stay, 'cause it feels so great.
oh, ba't di ka nagpagas? Nandito naman tayo, ba't di ka magpagas?
Hindi, hintayin ko yung ano.
Yung,
Yung bibilin ko.
bibilin mo. Ano bang bibilin mo?
Basta.
Ayan. Gumawa ka na naman ng gastos. Hindi ka na natigil. Puro ka gastos.
Ano ko yun eh. Exercise ko yun para pumayat. Siyempre.
Exercise?
Oo. Siyempre, kailangan fit, healthy. Ang lakad siya, no?
May nga ka, baka mamaya himatayin ka. Lakot ka kay Alonso. Inuna mo pa yung bike. Traffic nasa NLEX ka, traffic naman.
Sakto yan.
Mamaya malate ka kay Alonso, iiyak yun.
Saka kay Alonso yung bike na yun eh.
Hindi naman siya abot doon. Dumadahil lang ka pa. Kahit paglaki niya, di niya naaabutan niya.
Paglaki niya. Kanya yan.
Paano?
Siyempre tatangkad yun.
7 years old pala yung anak ko. Dami mo sinasabi.
Yaden! O bakit ganyan yan? Yan, tingnan mo yung pag
Oo. Sige, go, go, go.
I just wanna go where you go tonight. Baby, hold my hand, take me one more time. I don't wanna be without you again.
Mag-uusap niyo ni Liza about this? Meron ka bang bilin sa kanya or whining?
Ang dumi ng bahay, ang kalat actually. Ayan siya. Diyos ko day, ang dami kong lilinisin.
Dito mo lang siya na discover.
Maruming damit yan, dadali namin sa laundry. So, ayan. Kasi di ba galing kami ng Baguio and then
natunugan mo na ba yung problema?
pagkagaling namin sa Baguio, hindi kami agad nakapag-ligpet kasi gabi na kami nakauwi. Tapos pagod na pagod. So, nakatulog agad. The following day naman, merong pasok si Alonzo at saka si ate, si Bea. So, inasikaso sila and also, and may work kaming mag-asawa sa gabi. So, hindi kami nakapaglinis. And then, kanina, wala naman pasok yung mga bata. Especially si Alonzo, wala siyang pasok because it's signal number 1 daw. Kaya lang, hindi pa rin kami nakapaglinis kasi kinailangan namin magpahinga dahil from work nga. So, parang ngayon lang kami nakabawi ng tulog, ng pahinga. So, this night, hindi pa rin kami makakapagligpit. Although, yung kalat na yan, ligpitin lang naman yan. Hindi siya technically, yung kalat as in kalat na itatapon. So, ligpitin lang yan. Ayun, yung nasa gilid ng bike. Galing yan sa laundry. So, just pick up yung mga yan sa laundry yan ito. So, ilalagay lang yan sa cabinet. And then, dadali namin ito. Ito yung mga maruming laundry namin from Baguio. And a few days before kami umalis. So, liligpitin lang yan. And then, okay na. So, hopefully tomorrow magka-time, pero unti-untiin ko yan. Si Alonzo and si Daddy ngayon nasa Kumon sila. Everyday kasi schedule ni Alonzo sa Kumon this week kasi hindi siya nakapasok the past week dahil sa ulan, walang pasok, and itong lugar namin is medyo malayo sa Kumon. So, yun. So, ngayon, nanonood ako kay Sir OG Diaz and si James Reid. So, yan, refreshment lang ng konti, nood-nood, and then mag-uunti na ako ng ligpit, and then hopefully maayos ko siya until tomorrow. Okay?
Where are you going?
Come on.
What day is it today?
Tuesday.
You don't have class?
Yeah, because of the storm. But there's no hurry.
What's the name of the typhoon? Hener. The name is Hener. Typhoon Hener. What is your schedule for Kumon?
Tuesday and Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday lang? Why are you going tomorrow? It's Wednesday tomorrow.
Because Wednesday's after Tuesday.
No, why are you going to Kumon tomorrow? It's not your schedule. Because you miss a lot of Kumon days, right?
That's why my schedule is changed to Wednesday.
No, your schedule is changed to Tuesday to Friday.
Tuesday to Friday.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Before, when I was grade 1, Wednesday was always my computer class.
Hey, what's your computer class right now?
We don't do computer in 2.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we don't have the notebook. And 9.
Do you miss your computer class?
Yeah. When me and Jacob were going to pool water, we saw Mom Angie and Teacher Rain.
Did you say hi?
No, because they were talking to each other, so we didn't bother them.
Good job.
Jacob said, "Let's be quiet," and then I fill my water, and then I said, "Wait." And
Hey, why are you refilling your water? I put so much there. It's full.
Because I finished it.
You drink a lot.
Yeah.
Good job.
I was drinking in class because I was so hungry.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Why? You have lots of recess, You have lots of food,
Oh,
Diba you put 3 sandwiches there?
2.
2 sandwiches. You have wafer. You have Yakult.
I finished my Yakult. 2 sips and then all of it in my mouth. But I swallowed one part and then another part and then another part. And then when it was little, I swallowed it.
Are you drinking water after drinking Yakult?
Yeah, and it was finished now. Finished now.
Eh, but the wafer, you didn't finish the wafer yesterday.
Yeah, because I didn't have much time. Like,
You didn't have much time
yeah.
because
What was that?
I think it's fruit.
No, I think it's the one that people throw for a prank. The thing what's it called again? It looks like nuts, but the things on it looks like spike.
Don't know.
It's what squirrels throw.
You have assignment pala?
Yeah, I already did
No, the singing assignment. Remember?
later.
Yeah.
After my command.
We will sing together, right?
Yeah. They're still vlogging me.
Yeah. What are we gonna sing?
Welcome to the family. You are going to use your phone to vlog. My iPad is going to do the song.
Mm.
Yeah, but you have to do this.
Can you sing it for me? I don't know the
I don't
melody.
know the whole song too.
Just a little.
Welcome to the family. That's the first.
That's assignment for what subject?
English, because it's English.
English? Who's your teacher in English?
Teacher Jennifer, and in Pathways, Teacher Jennifer again. And Science, Teacher Jennifer again.
You only have one teacher?
I have 3 more teachers. It's Teacher Mitch, my PE teacher.
And then?
Teacher Asen, my math teacher. And Teacher Rowell, my math teacher.
Okay.
I mean my Filipino teacher.
So who's your favorite teacher?
Teacher Jennifer, because she is into each subject.
And she is your advisor, right?
Yeah.
Is she nice?
Yeah, to all of the classmates, but not Jacob, because he keeps getting angry. And sometimes says the short word and the F word.
Teacher?
No, Jacob.
So who do you think is much better? Teacher, what's the name of your teacher again?
What subject?
No, your advisor.
Teacher Jennifer.
Teacher Jennifer or Teacher Rain? Who do you like most?
Both. They're
Ah.
in grade 1, we used to call Teacher Jennifer Teacher Jen. Just like Teacher Jem in grade 1, our Pathways teacher. Beanie.
Yeah.
In my class, all of the girls has Beanie cards.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, that's for the Jollibee or McDonald's?
I think that's from the Jolly.
From the Jollibee. Do you want to have that too? Do you collect beanie cards? Do you want to
No.
collect it? Why? It's nice.
I only like to get anime boys cards.
Why? Because the beanie is for girls.
Yeah.
Eh, but you used to sing it eh.
And because I didn't know it was for girls.
So you want only cards from the boys,
Yeah, anime boys.
anime boys.
Gojo, Satoru, Sukuna, Itadori, Yakuna.
Uh, okay, so we're near na.
Sukuna looks like Itadori because they both have pink hair, but Sukuna is different than Itadori's face. Itadori's face doesn't have marks. Sukuna looks like Itadori with pink hair and clothes, but with the marks on his face.
Are you watching anime pa?
Yeah.
Eh, mm,
Before when I was 5.
Right now you're not watching me.
Yeah.
Oh, you say bye na to the vlog. We will
Bye.
gonna park na.
Bye, guys.
Nilagay ako ng bike rack pero parang masyado nang magulo yung bahay. Over na dito sa isang side. Dito sa isang side ng garahe. Malinis pa. Kaso dito yung sasakyan. So, hindi ko makukuha. Kailangan labas ko pa yung sasakyan. Dito, makukuha ko siya. Makukuha ko pag gusto kong mag-bike. Ayan. Ang sikip lang kasi yung garahe namin. Pero okay naman. Maiksi kasi yung nakuha ko na hanger. Dapat yung mas mahaba pala. Nakasandal tuloy siya sa... Sandal siya sa pader. Kaya... Napalitan ko na lang. Pero pansamantagal dyan ang muna yan. Ready na. How's school?
Good.
What did you do?
I did. The only thing I forgot is the
System activated.
Pathways, English, Pinhi, Math, and Science.
Well, what did you tackle in math?
In Math,
Hmm.
I forgot to. I didn't know the writing of the numbers. It was the assignment pala. I accidentally wrote it.
Ah, you already answered your assignment?
Yeah.
Oh, what will you do na in the house?
Just do my kulon.
Okay. And then, other subjects?
In Binhi, I did I don't. In Binhi, I did circle, shade the right answer,
Hmm.
and heart the good things.
Oh, did you answer it right?
Yeah.
Good job. Did you finish your baon?
Yeah. Even the cream O.
Do you like the cream mo?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, what do you want for baon?
Ham sandwich.
Ham sandwich.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
what else?
2 water tops, 1 for Trevor.
You will share the water tops with Trevor.
No, I will give 1 to Trevor.
Hmm.
And the one that I did not give to Trevor, I eat.
Huh? Di ba we told you to give it to Trevor?
The one that I did not give to Trevor.
Ah. Di ba I gave you 2 water tubs? And mommy said you share the 1 water tubs to Trevor.
I give 1 to
Yeah.
Trevor.
Oh, what did Trevor say when you gave him the water tubs?
He said thank you.
Mm. How did you drink? Did you drink water?
Yeah, but I finished it, so I had to refill.
Nag-refill ka na naman.
Yeah,
Mm.
just little.
Is it cold, the water in school?
No. In the practice house, it's not.
But it's clean.
Yeah, it's sink water but filtered.
Sink water?
Yeah, but it's filtered. So
Ah.
that means it's
Are you sure?
yeah. So filtered means it
Yeah,
removes
but
the
don't
germs.
get water there. Did everyone getting water there? Drinking water?
Me, Trevor, Gavin, and Jake.
No, I mean the teachers.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's filtered. Filtered means it removes the germs from the sink water.
Okay. So what else did you do today?
science I did. If I didn't do the whole thing,
Huh?
teacher said
You didn't finish the task?
whoever is not done, pass it here. Done or not done.
Finish or not finish? Eh, why you didn't finish it?
Because Trevor keep distracting me.
Ayan na naman tayo kay Trevor eh. Di ba I told you to focus? When teacher give task, you should be focused. Do not talk to your seatmate or Trevor or Jacob. Di
I'm
ba?
not talking to Jacob.
Oh yeah, just focus on what teachers said or task. Oh, see, you didn't finish the task. Oh,
I have skin na naman.
what?
I have skin na naman.
What skin?
The one here.
It's okay. Don't feel it. You're hungry na? And sleepy?
No.
Are you sure you're not sleepy?
Yeah, because we not in school.
Huh?
Yeah.
How long?
5 minutes.
Is that a nap?
5 minutes long. But I couldn't sleep because of everyone.
Why? They're talking.
Yeah, and then Teacher Jennifer told Teacher Rowell to open all the lights. I was so tired pa. But at least I still have more energy.
Really?
Yeah.
Good job. It's always traffic here, right?
Yeah.
What is this place? It's Malinta.
Yeah, and Denise lives in Malinta.
Yeah.
Georgetown.
Georgetown.
Yeah.
Did you know? Di ba we've been there? Do you remember that when you're still a kinder? We've been to Georgetown. We check a unit there. We check a place. But the place is so little. That's why we didn't push to Georgetown. We get the unit in Holland, right?
Yeah.
Because it has garage and it's perfect for us. But it's flooding pala, right? Sige na, you take a nap na, you're sleepy.
I'm not sleepy.
You sure? Why are you not wearing your glasses?
Yeah, because every time I'm pawis, it goes on my glasses.
If you feel hot, you take off your jacket.
But I wasn't running around.
Oh, why you're feeling hot? Hey, your classroom is cold.
Yeah, because someone I wanted to play with them, but just sitting down.
See, you're just playing, that's why you feel hot and you're pawis.
I didn't get powers, but one drop of sweat came down to my glasses.
That's why so you remove your glasses
Yeah.
because of the sweat.
No, because what if it goes into my nose?
Or just wipe it.
I don't feel it going down.
Okay, so when we got home, you will eat and then you'll do your common, huh? Is that a deal?
Yeah.
Okay.
A deal is a deal.
Deal's a deal.
Bye guys.
Sige, we will cut the video na.
Bye guys.
You say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.